What's up, trucks?
Trucktown!
Hoods together!
Trucktown!
Come on, let's go and play in Trucktown. There is always lots to do. Let's rev it up today in Trucktown. Every day it's something new. We'll build it up with Jack and his friends. Smash it down, build it up again.
Trucktown!
Every day it's a fun new game. Trucktown, it's where I wanna play.
Trucktown!
Come on, let's go and play in Trucktown. There is always lots to do. Let's rev it up today in Trucktown. Every day it's something new. Come on!
Trucktown!
Jumping bumpers!
Trucktown!
Come on, let's play in Trucktown!
Spinarama Jack. Yes! I love playing games. I never get tired of it. Yeah!
What? Choo! What? Choo! What? Choo!
What's up, trucks?
What? Choo!
Leaping lug nuts, Rosie. What's the matter?
Nothing. What? Choo!
Okay, come on, let's go play.
I don't know if I can. I never know when a sneeze is going to
What's up?
Wow!
See what I mean? Sorry. I think I better head home until I'm better.
It isn't fair that Rosie sneezing means she can't play with us. We can't let her miss out on the fun. Whoa! Nice shot! I know what we can play with Rosie today. Spinarama Jack!
Oh!
Just haul me up. When you sneeze, your ball will swing and send me flying.
And we'll keep score. We'll measure how far Jack goes.
You wonderful bunch of fender heads! You make me so
Spinarama Jack! Yes!
Jack? I dig it!
Whoa! Come on, let's go find him!
Hey, Rosie. Since you're not as fast as the other trucks, I'll hang back so you don't get lonely.
Aw, you are the sweetest bucket of bolts, Dan.
Uh-oh. Whoa!
Whoopsie.
Jack! Where are you?
How can we measure how far he went if we can't find him?
Woohoo! Let's do it again. Yeah! How far did I go anyway?
It says you went 2.7 truckometers. That's a Trucktown record.
Hey guys, I set a new record, and now I'm gonna beat it. Let's get swinging, Rosie.
Okay, but Rosie hasn't sneezed on the way here. I was watching closely.
You're right. Maybe I'm
Whoa!
finished. Sorry, Dan.
No problem. Keeps me sharp.
I'm ready, Rosie. Can you do it again?
Well, I just don't know. I can't make any promises, Ja.
Nice toss, Rosie! Charge!
You coming, Dan?
I'll follow you from here. I got your back bumper, Rosie.
Kramer!
Huh?
Look out!
Hello? Whoa! Oh,
Yeah!
Nuts and bolts, are you okay?
Maybe a little overheated. But that was great. How far did I go this time?
Let me see. 12.4 truckometers? It's a new record!
Again!
Phew. Let me just intake here a sec.
Okay. Are you ready yet?
Okay, let's do it.
Whoa, Jack! Are those tents new?
Some, I guess, but flying through the air can do that. I'm good.
Yeah. Agree. Oh, goodness. Woohoo!
Wow, sure is nice and quiet way up here.
Hello? Oh, bye.
Uh-oh.
That was maxi-tastically truckendulous!
Thanks. That was a wet one.
Here comes another hug. Dan, I'm so sorry.
That's okay. Rosie, exercise is good for you. Tiring, whew, but good. Right, Jack?
You said it, Dan.
Again!
Whoa!
Again!
Okay. Craner?
Here goes. Jack, maybe we should downshift a minute?
I could use an oil break, too.
Aww.
But as long as trucks want to keep flying, I'm in.
Uh-oh. Whoopsie. Kinda stuck here.
Uh-oh. Roadblock.
We gotta get Rosie loose from herself. Weird.
Okay. Hoods together.
Jack, are your headlights drooping a bit?
What? No. Just got a little sand in them.
Let's knock Rosie's wrecking ball loose by smashing into it!
Yeah!
Yeah.
Let's do this! Here goes!
Hoods together.
What if we oil up Rosie so the ball and chain are slippery, and then we smash into the ball all together?
Okay.
Okay. Thank you. That feels very nice.
Let's burn rubber!
Hoods together.
Oh, my tank is on empty. Yours?
Tires are burning too. But I gotta keep going. I don't want to miss out on the fun.
Wow, I feel so much better. Hop and hubcaps, I think my sneezes are done.
Okay, let's do it. Okay, Dan?
No, I'm out of gas. I'm parking it for a while.
But Dan, aren't you afraid of missing out on the fun?
Nah, we always have fun together, and we will again. Tomorrow.
I get it. Playing and dodging Rosie's ball all day was a lot. You need a break. Me too. I need a rest, Trucks.
Jack? Since when are you okay with not playing a game?
Since today, I guess. I love to play, but I need to shut down for a bit.
But I'd like to keep playing the game. I'm all better now.
I'll try a spin.
Me next! Me next!
Woohoo! All right!
New way to play. Spinarama trucks. Rosie spins any truck that wants to spin.
And we'll play the watch from over here game.
Hop on. Now that I'm not sneezing, I can aim. And I aim to have fun.
Send me to the stunt park! Send me to the stunt park!
Sometimes you can find that you're just too tired to play. And you know what? That's A-okay to say. Trucks in shining armor. Racing stripes! Yeah! Woohoo! I'm a race truck. I love to pretend. Woohoo! Woohoo! What's up, Trucks?
It's amazing! It's spectacular! Look!
Hey, Craner's building a castle.
I felt like being a king today. And a king needs a castle.
Craner, it's amazing!
King Craner, if you please, Maxwell. Oh, gritty gears! I've walled myself in here, and I'm not finished yet. How will I get the rest of the stones I need to finish building the castle? Oh, this is a royal problem.
Not if you have some knights, King Craner. Then it's no problem. I know what we can play today. Trucks in shining armor. We'll be your knights and go on a quest to get you all the stones you need.
That is a heroic idea, Sir Jack. I hereby make you all knights, brave and strong and true.
Knights, brave and strong and true. Wow, let's go. Oh, wait. We can't start yet.
Why not?
How come?
If we're gonna be trucks in shining armor, we need armor. And I know just where to get some. Come on, let's go! We can get our armor here, and everything else we need to be knights.
Everything else? Like what?
Armor, helmets, shields, even jousting poles.
Jousting poles? I want a jousting pole! Woohoo! What are jousting poles?
They're big, long poles knights use in competitions, but we can use them to race and jump with. Let's get knightly. Woohoo!
All right!
Now we're trucks in shining armor. Well, maybe not so shining, but it's good armor to protect us on our stone quest.
Stone Quest! Stone Quest! Ready!
Yay! Huzzah to us knights, brave and strong and true.
Huzzah!
Hawa?
Huzzah! It's what knights say.
Huzzah!
Come on! Huzzah! Yeah!
Good luck, brave Sir Knights. Get me as many stones as you can.
Hey, there's something else we could use. It might be a good idea to borrow this lift. It'll make a great catapult! Catapults are very knightly. It'll come in handy on our stone quest. All this knightly, phew, the stuff is heavy.
Not as heavy as having, a catapult.
Huzzah!
Whoa!
Max, where's your armor and all your other knightly stuff?
All I got was a jousting pole. But that's okay.
But you can't be a knight with just a jousting pole. You need more stuff.
Don't worry about it, Sir Jack. I don't want to slow down the game.
Here, you can have these.
Really? You're giving me your helmet and shield? Thanks, Jack!
Hey, look, stones! Let's load my dumper and haul them to King Craner.
Yeah!
Help me unhook from the catapult, knights.
Hey, I think that catapult just came in handy. Get ready, King Craner! Incoming!
Oh, huh? Who dares whistle at the king? Oh my!
You sure look knightly now. I love the helmet and shield.
Thank you!
I can't move this with my armor on. Gotta lighten my load. Phew. Ooh. Go ahead, take it, Max.
Really?
Sure, I'll find some more.
Thanks, Jack! Now I really feel like a knight. Brave, strong, and true! On with our quest!
Huzzah!
Whoa!
I don't see anything I can use for armor. Oh well, I'll be your helper and you guys be the knights.
Huh? You're not gonna be a knight anymore?
I can't be if I don't have all the stuff, but that's okay. Hey, look, more stones. See what a good helper I make? Come on! Get ready again, King Craner! Incoming!
Oh dear!
I just had an idea where we can get lots more stones. The gravel pit.
Good thinking, Sir Dan. Let's go.
Whoop, whoop.
Come on, knights.
Trying to.
Really trying to.
Nuts and bolts.
Oh, sorry, Sir Dan.
Are you guys okay?
Yeah, we're okay. But our nightly quest just hit a...
Roadblock!
Don't worry. I'll get you out of there. Hoods together. Sort of.
What should we do, Jack?
I don't know. I'm not a brave, strong, and true knight anymore like you, remember? I'm just your helper.
Well, can you help by thinking up a helpful idea like you always do?
I got one. Let's use our jousting poles to jump out of here.
Mine got busted in our pileup.
Use mine, Sir Dan.
Thanks, Jack. Nice helping. Ouch. Hoods together.
The catapult! Use it to launch yourselves out of there!
10-4! Great idea!
Yeah! Catapult!
Ready!
Ready! Wah-hoo-hoo-hoo! Uh-oh!
So much for the catapult. Hoods together.
I don't know what to do, but I know one thing. All this armor and knightly stuff is getting heavy.
Yeah, I want it off! Off, 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 off!
Oh, phew!
Hey, if you put everything into a big pile, maybe you can climb out onto it.
Smash and land!
Here you go. Oh, can't quite reach. Wait, I have an idea. Grab a hold of me, Max. I'll haul you up.
Woohoo! Yeah!
Nice one!
Yeah! I mean, huzzah! On with our quest, knights!
But we can't be knights without our armor and stuff. The game's over.
Well, Sir Jack, you just rescued us without using any of that stuff. You were brave the way you hung over the edge to get us.
And strong the way you pulled us up, up, up!
And true. A true friend the way you rescued us.
I guess I did act like a real knight without any of that stuff. So we don't need anything. We just need to use our imaginations to become brave knights.
10-4 and huzzah!
Yeah!
New way to play. Trucks with no armor. Sir Max and Sir Dan, on with our quest to find more stones for the king.
Huzzah!
Huh? The castle! It's wrecked! How did that happen?
Stones! Flying stones! Very odd.
From our catapult. Oops. But I know what brave and strong and true knights can do. Rebuild!
Royal idea, Sir Jack. With this many stones, we can make a castle big enough for a king and his knights.
Huzzah!
To play a great game, you don't need a lot of stuff. Just use your imagination. That'll be enough. Huzzah!